Oh, y'all, this werewolf animalistic look took me forever. Okay? These Halloween looks is taking everything out of me, out of my comfort zone. It ain't my normal cute little beat that I be doing, y'all. It is hard. But you feel me? We got to count down to Halloween to bring y'all some looks so y'all can slay. Huh. Alright, y'all. If you want to see this werewolf look, stay tuned. Hey guys, let's get started. So this process, I'm gonna just laugh because this was terrible trying to glue down my eyebrows. Don't do this step, y'all. I just want to include it because I did it and I filmed it. I'm just putting Elmer's glue on my brows. Now I'm setting it with my airspun setting powder. This whole part was just an epic fail. Using foundation, this is just Maybelline. Blending it out on my face. So I'm just covering the powder with some foundation, making sure you can't see it. Really trying to cover these brows, but I guess my brows is so thick, dark. They just don't like to cover, so you'll see me a couple times in this video try to fix and cover these eyebrows, but the way I did it was an epic fail. Just to let y'all know, if you, oh, I look crazy. Mind y'all, I've had my eyebrows look like this before because the lady took my whole eyebrow off. Anyways, now I'm concealing with my, my favorite, my Age Rewind by Maybelline. Going up to the brow. Blend, baby, blend. Blend, baby, blend. Just blend this as you normally would with a damn beauty blender. I didn't really try to blend that much just because it's a Halloween look, so what needs to be perfect, I mean, I blended it all the way out, but wasn't necessarily just trying to be hecka perfect like I would on a normal beat day, Set your under eye because you know you don't want to crease up, even though this is a Halloween look. Now I'm attempting to do these pointed werewolf eyebrows. They came out pretty nice besides the part that I couldn't cover. So I'm just drawing it with a eyebrow pencil because I didn't want to use the dip brow or pomade how I usually do. So I use the pencil. As you can see, I was kind of confused and frustrated the fact that I couldn't go over the glue and the powder and concealer the way I really wanted to. I was so lost and I looked crazy. And I'm just going to continue to fill in those brows. You do the front part as you normally would for a brow, and then you just take it up to get the little spike look. Very different than how we usually wear our brows. But again, this is a Halloween look. This isn't about being beautiful. It's about being an animal. Spoolie them out so they look like hair. Ooh. Now I'm taking my P. Louise base. I don't know why I use that instead of concealer, but oh, that's because I thought it would be a little more full coverage to cover them hairs on the end. Again, epic fail. But just carve out them brows, y'all. Nothing too major. Put the P. Louise base on your lid because I did this kind of heavy because I was doing a smoky eye and I'm not really used to doing a dark smoky eye like I did. So we're just taking our normal color that I always put in my crease, the transition color, and blending her all the way out. It's like an orange color. Now I'm going in with a lighter brown. It's out of the Juvia's Place Afrique palette. It's like a brown orangey color that I'm placing right here. And I'm just buffing her all the way out and taking her out farther than my eyes so that we can get that nice, I guess, wing look with the eye, the cat eye type of eye that I was going for. Just taking her all the way out. Look at that terrible brow. It's bothering me as I'm watching this. Just intensifying that color some and blending her, buffing her out All that hair is bothering me on my eyebrows. Now I'm putting some more P. Louise base on my lid just because I don't have a dark gel liner I could use for my lid to make sure this is dark. Um, I'm allergic to most of them, so I don't use them. So now I'm taking a brown. I'm just packing that on my lid. We should already know how brown looks go. Pack, blend till you get the desired color. That's exactly what I did here. Blend her out, honey. Blend her all the way out. Don't give her no mercy. Don't let her peek through not being blended, okay? Again, with the epic fail brows, trying to cover the brows again. I'm telling you guys, I did this so many times and it was an epic fail every time. I just don't understand how people just cover their brows and their hair don't come through. Taking that brown to start to smoke a little bit and putting it under the lash line. Now I'm taking like a black gray color and I'm just packing that on my lid to add a little more color dimension to my eye. And then we're going to blend her out. You know how we feel about blending. Just blend till you can't blend no more. Okay, now I'm attempting to do that little cat eye in the front part of the tear duct. But I just want to do a regular line for right now to give me a guide. And yeah, it's very hard, but easy at the same time. I'm sorry that it's blurry right here. I guess I was out of focus, but I couldn't tell when I was really doing it. Up close, personal. Now I'm just doing the bottom line to where it connects. Now I'm going in with some white eyeliner just to open the eye a little bit more. Give it that little scary look. Now I am taking some black shadow and just kind of smudging it on the bottom line. And then I'm creating a little opening with the eye, kind of making it animalistic. I don't really know how to explain what I did, so you're going to have to just see it. Now I am chiseling the cheeks, adding shadows, contouring, whatever you want to call it. But this is the beginning of making my skin the animalistic, highlighted way. I guess you can call it. I don't really know. Just adding shadows to the face. Now I'm making the little widow's peak that most werewolves have. Yeah, because I don't have actual widow's peak on my own, so I had to make it. Now I'm going in with a darker brown to add a little more shadow and I'm blending it out. I'm going with the black to add some more shadows to the face. And I'm just putting that kind of in the high points where I would usually put highlight. But just using black instead to add a cast of a shadow and a little dimension to the face. We need this to be super snatched, so I'm contouring the heck out of my jawline with this dark shadow. You know, now we just blend her all the way out, honey. Since I really wanted the bone structure and the face structure of like animalistic, I carved out a lot of places in my face with powder just to make them, you know, where the shadows start and how contoured they really look. So that's what I'm doing here with the powder. Just wiping it off, taking it off. But you can see how defined it made my face look. Here I'm getting juice because I'm starting to really like it. Now it's time to contour the nose and also add like the hair strokes that they have. So I'm just doing this at the tip of my brow. And I'm going to eventually just bring it all the way down the nose. It's going to look like hair, which is really, really cool. Yeah, now I'm just contouring, really. Now it's time to clean up that contour because most animals' nose and stuff is like really just contoured and snatched. So that's what I'm doing here. Just really snatching it. Then I'm just pushing it in and going back in with a darker brown to add some dimension. I think I'm adding a little more black here because it wasn't to my satisfaction. So just add a little more to get a little more shadows. Going under the eye, adding some powder till I ended up there to clean her up some. Adding mascara so we can finish off the eyes. You know, a Neah look is never complete without a wing liner, and I just felt like a wing liner was definitely necessary for this look. So, I mean, you can decide if you want to add it or not, but a wing liner is always a great idea to me. So, we know we did it. I had to clean it up some, so I cleaned it up because I kind of messed up. Spraying my face before I start the hair strokes. Adding some lashes. These lashes really made my look pop since I didn't have the eye contacts that I wanted. I had to just improvise. Now I'm adding some real hair strokes from some liquid eyeliner off of a angled brush, and I'm just making the hair strokes higher than my actual hair to look animalistic, you know, like animal hair. This part was really cool to me, actually. My eyebrows turned out to be one of my favorite parts, even though they looked a little terrible. Now I'm just starting a guide to where I could just add the hair around my face. This is again with liquid eyeliner on an angled brush. And I am just flicking the brush really to just add hair strokes. Nothing too technical. Like, it's super, super easy to do, even though this look took me forever to do. I don't know what happened to like all the other footage, but I guess my camera overheated and whatnot. But I'm still just adding strokes to the look. Now I'm going in with brown instead of black. This is eyeshadow, and I'm just adding brown shadows. So I realized that because I didn't want like the liner and stuff to be in my hairline, so I went around my hairline with eyeshadow. And here I'm just taking a brown pencil that I use for my eyebrows, and I'm drawing hair on my nose. And I'm going around my face. What I was saying was I added some shadow, contour shadow around my hairline just because I didn't really want all that crap in my hairline. So I just kind of improvised to fill her in some. Starting to come out how I wanted. Now I'm adding some white liner. This is from NYX, and it's just to add a little more dimension to the look and some more color to the look. You can add as much as you want. I kind of was just eyeing it, as you can see. So here I'm taking my NYX black eyeliner and I am just creating the nose. And I'm just filling it in, nothing major. Just drawing the nose, keeping it real simple. Now it's time for final touches. I did a lot of my final touches off of camera, but you'll see what I did once you see my ending video. And I was so excited about how I looked. I was proud of myself. Are y'all feeling this? Did y'all feel this? I know I did small little details off of camera. I did like the little fake teeth because I didn't have the contacts like I wanted. Can't find them anywhere. So I had to like draw some teeth. I didn't have no teeth either. So I was like, what can like substitute to still bring this to life? So We got the teeth. Well, this make you feel like a little feline or something. Like, you feel me? Like, I just, wanna, I play too much. But if you guys recreate this, or if you like this, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Go ahead and share with your homies if they don't know what they're going to be for Halloween. They could just do this look. And if you want to do an outfit for this, if you don't want to be cold, I would say put on a flannel type of shirt with some jeans. That's a cute little werewolf look. Or if you're trying to be a cute little sexy little werewolf, put a little bodysuit on, girl, and some heels to kill them. Okay? Kill them. And you can get the cute little werewolf headband with the little ears or whatever. I do recommend a high ponytail teased, or like I have a half up, half down tease. And, you know, just call it a cute little day. Like, you feel me? If you go into a last minute party, you don't have a costume, go ahead and just throw this beat on and keep it pushing. You feel me? Or if you got a costume and you don't want to wear it no more, do that. Or if you're going to a party that you really don't want to go to, but you got to show your face, so you're not trying to wear your actual costume to that function, girl, guess what you should do? Do this face. You feel me? I hope you guys like this look. I think I look crazy, but I actually really like it. I'm really proud of myself for stepping out of my comfort zone. So I hope you guys enjoy it too. I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye, guys.